So at this point, I don't know this is if it's a me problem or is a unit problem. I've been having this problem for some time right now with the Rode PodMic. So is especially with the USB. So I bought, like few in the past, and for some reason it's just the gain just went very very low, and I don't know what it is. So I had to return those ones, and I bought like a set. Like I bought like six of them. I had to return two, and then get another um, replacement and all those things. In total, I have like four of them now, and funny enough, um, two of them stopped working for some reason. I don't know what it is. And I try everything up there or wherever it is. I go on Central, Road Central, all those things. It's just it's stop. I don't know what it is, to be honest. I don't know if it's me problem or just the unit having problems. And I had to return some in the past as well. So right now I just pack a new. I just pack a new one right now. Like I packed two of them in this pack. I threw the old box, so I had to return it. I had it like almost like a year. It's been a year now. I had them. It's like been a year now, and I don't know. I don't know what it is, and it stopped working. Sometimes when you plug it to your phone, iPhone, sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes some of them it works, some of them it don't work. I made a video about it long ago, if it's working or not working, something like that. So that's one of the things. And at this point, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know what it is. I try everything as possible as I can, but it's just not working for some reason. So I don't know if it's me problem or just the unit not working or it stopped working. I don't know if anyone having the same problem like me. Sometimes when you plug it to your phone, like I have like a lot of unit. This unit I'm keeping because this is the only unit that actually working. I'm returning the rest of them. But I'm glad that I bought them on Amazon. So I contacted Amazon, product team and all those things. So in a few steps, they sort it out for me. They asked me if I want to send it back for a refund, and I was like, why not? So I choose that option, which is good. I would say maybe I had to switch brand and buy something different. I do like them though. I'm not going to lie, but it's just it's not cutting it. So I would say that. So if somebody having the same problem, that their roadmap is still working for some reason, the USB, especially the USB one, I don't know. I don't know what is going on. But that's my nightmare or my dilemma with the Rode USB-C one. It's actually well built. It's heavy though, but just don't know what is going on. So I had to return those units and see what it is. And apart from that, yeah, that's it really. If you find the video useful, feel free to leave a comment, especially if you're facing the same problem or if you be using for some time, then suddenly stop working, then leave the comment. I will be gladly to if anybody find a solution for them or never have any issue like that. Also feel free to comment and I would love to respond. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.